Hello everyone, and welcome to How-FixIT. If your DJI Lito X1 has a weak or missing GPS signal, takes too long to find satellites, fails IMU calibration, hovers unstably, or shows GPS and flight orientation errors after a crash, the problem may be related to the GPS module or its ribbon cable. In this video, I'll show you how to remove and replace the GPS module with the integrated Inertial Measurement Unit in the DJI Lito X1. Before you start, make sure you have the right tools: a T5 Torx and a No. 1 Phillips screwdriver, plastic prying tools and tweezers, a hot glue gun or suitable adhesive for securing connectors during reassembly. In the video description, you will find links to the tools and replacement parts used in this repair. I also recommend using a magnetic mat to organize all screws and parts during the repair process. The DJI Lito X1 uses many small screws, and keeping each one in the correct place will make reassembly much easier. A magnetic mat also helps hold small metal parts in place and reduces the risk of losing screws or making assembly mistakes. So, let's get started. Before disassembling the drone, remove the battery and propellers. Use a T5 Torx screwdriver to remove the 4 screws securing the upper cover. Now you can begin opening the drone's top cover. Start from the rear side where the charging port is located. I recommend using a plastic spudger to create the first gap. If you use a metal tool, be very careful not to damage or crack the housing. Near the rear vent inside the drone body, there is a GPS module cable. This cable is located very close to the edge of the frame, so when removing the top cover, be careful not to push your tool too deep inside the body. Otherwise, you may accidentally damage the GPS cable. Now you can remove the upper cover. Disconnect the flex cable from the GPS module. The module is held in place by rubber mounts. Use tweezers to carefully release the rubber mounts, then remove the GPS module from the frame. This module combines satellite positioning with inertial measurement data used for flight orientation. If your DJI Lito X1 has a weak or missing GPS signal, slow satellite acquisition, unstable hovering, positioning problems, IMU initialization errors, failed IMU calibration, or the drone is unable to take off, this module may need to be inspected or replaced. I've included a link to the replacement GPS module for the DJI Lito X1 in the video description below. However, if the drone crashed, it's also important to check the flex cable that connects the GPS module to the main board. If the cable is damaged, replace the cable first. If the cable looks fine, the GPS module itself may be the problem. Install the GPS module back into its rubber mounts and make sure it is seated correctly. Reconnect the ribbon cable, then secure it with a hot melt glue. Now install the upper cover. Before closing it, make sure the latches on the upper cover are not bent. Place the upper cover onto the frame, press it gently into position, and secure it with the 4 screws. Now install the battery and do the first power on test. Check the GPS signal and IMU status. If the app asks for calibration, complete the required calibration before the first flight. If you have any questions about calibration, please feel free to ask them in the comments. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Visit our website for more insights and do-it-yourself guides. Remember, every tech challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Thanks for watching How-FixIT, and we'll see you in the next one.